Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Okai scooter has started acting strangely, isn't responding properly, or you are planning to set it up from scratch, performing a factory reset can often help restore the original settings. Temporary software issues, incorrect configurations, or connection problems can sometimes affect the performance of the Okai scooter. Fortunately, you don't always need professional assistance to resolve these kinds of issues. A factory reset can provide a fresh start and help the scooter operate more smoothly. In this video, I'll guide you through several simple steps that may help you successfully factory reset your Okai scooter and get back on the road with confidence. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the Okai scooter and place it on a stable surface. Step 2. Verify that the Okai scooter has enough battery power before starting the reset. Step 3. Access the reset controls available on the Okai scooter. Step 4. Wait while the Okai scooter processes and completes the factory reset. Step 5. Pair the Okai scooter with its app again if required after the reset. Step 6. Confirm that the Okai scooter has returned to its default settings and is working properly.